Hi guys, just want to talk about Handbrake. People who are having trouble coding videos. I know Daniel's done a guide, but this is really simple. Get yourself across to Handbrake. The URL is handbrake.fr, and you can just go here, hit download now, and install it. Once you've installed it, you can be presented with this is the actual software itself. And if you want to code a video, on the right hand side here, it's got some presets. And really, this is what the settings you need. It works very simply. You go to source, hit source, select video file. It'll bring up your normal finder, or if I'm on a PC here, but usually I'm on a Mac. You can pick a file, whatever it may be. So if I just go to my desktop and pick a little test file, hopefully I've got a test file knocking about on here somewhere. Let's try and find a little file. Okay guys, I've just selected a test file. It's a very short little file. It's actually already an MP4, but don't let that put you off. It could be AVI, it could be .mov, WMV, whatever. Here's the settings that you need to set. So first of all, you'll see here that you've got, so this is the source. It's 12 seconds long, just one chapter, and this is the actual destination folder. So this is where it's going to go to. So I've created a folder called Handbrake Conversions. Yeah, and that's where the file's going to go. If you want to send it somewhere else, just go into Browse and choose somewhere else. The container is MP4. I make it web optimized, so you check this box, very important, web optimized. And then inside here you've got some tabs. Now there are a lot of tabs in here, a lot of information. Don't go off on a tangent, but basically video filters leave alone. Video, in here, video codec should be H.264 and it should be automatically choose that. Okay, frame rate should be exactly the same as the source. Now here's your opportunity to put in a target size, so you can hit this button, and if you're limited like with SFM to 80 megs, in here you could probably choose around about 70 and try and keep it under the 80. If it's a screen capture, in here you need about 600. So let's say 600 as an average. That will capture a screen at good quality. And make sure you hit the 2-pass encoding. Alright, so 2-pass encoding. In the audio, in here, AAC is fine. Where it says bitrate, you can go in here, make sure it says 160. 160 or 128 is fine. So 128 or 160. That's that for that setting. Subtitles, leave well alone. Chapters, leave well alone. And then in the advanced settings, in here, reference frames, drop that down and choose 4. Okay, so this is your settings. Okay, now this is it, and you can actually, I believe you can save this as a preset, so you can add, give it a preset, which is, so we'll call this SFM settings, and you can add that there, SFM settings, and that should hopefully remember the settings that you've chosen. So 2-pass encoding, average bit rate, audio 128 or 160, and then in the advanced, make sure you drop this to reference 4 frames, web optimized, and then literally just hit the actual start button, and that will start, and you'll see down here. Okay, and that's done. Okay, and that's done, guys. So Handbrake FM, Handbrake is the one you want. And literally, if we go to the original file, which is here, let's go back to my videos. Just go to test. Right, so this was the original video, which was 889 kilobytes. And then if we go to the Handbrake conversions, this is Handbrake conversions, properties. It's 104 kilobytes, so we reduced it by a factor of 8. So it's very powerful, and that should work for you. That will also make the videos playable on the iOS devices, which is your iPad and your iPhones, etc. Then it's just a case of uploading the file via the SFM or YouTube, etc. Hope that helps.